मेरे दोनों घुटनों में बहुत ज़्यादा पेन था और रूमेटॉइड आर्थराइटिस 15-16 साल से है। तो मैं वॉज ऑन पेन किलर्स एंड सो मैनी मेडिसिन एंड इंजेक्शंस, बट अगेन दैट वॉज टेम्परेरी। डॉक्टर मारिया से मिली और अपने एक्सरे दिखाए तो उन्होंने मुझको सर्जरी के लिए सजेस्ट किया। लेकिन फिर मुझसे पूछा बीपी, डायबिटीज़ कुछ ऐसा तो नहीं है आपको? और मैंने कहा डॉक्टर साहब कोई बीमारी नहीं है, लेकिन उसको एलर्जी है। मैं कोई भी मेटेलिक चीज़ पहनती हूँ तो पूरे स्किन पे छाले पड़ जाते हैं। तो
वंडरफुल लेडी मिसेस इशरत उमर, who presented with severe involvement of both her knee joints as she was suffering from rheumatoid arthritis. However, in her case, the unique thing was that she said she is allergic to metal substances. So, on a recommendation, she happily got her metal sensitivity tests done, and it was confirmed that she is suffering from metal hypersensitivity reactions.
एलर्जी टेस्ट कराया तो उसमें कैल्स्पो रेजिन्स निकल, उसको एलर्जी निकली। तो डॉक्टर साहब ने कहा कि आपकी सर्जरी अभी नहीं हो सकती जब तक कि ये आपको एलर्जी है। हम देखेंगे कौन सा इम्प्लांट आपको सूट करेगा, तो आप हमको 1 हफ्ते या 15 दिन का टाइम दीजिए, इस पर हम रिसर्च करेंगे।
Fortunately, we found this very interesting implant which is coated with titanium nitride, Ti titanium Ni nitride, and the implant is called Ti-Ni, T-I-N-I. The other interesting aspect of this implant was that it has to be put without bone cement. We had to very cautiously perform this surgery on her knee. It seated well, and the result is there to see. She is extremely happy with this knee, and as hoped and expected, there has been no metal allergies or reactions. We also believe that this type of an implant, an uncemented titanium nitride knee replacement, has been performed first time in this part of the world, and especially in our own country.
The surgery was done and I was shifted for a night to the ICU unit. I was thinking about the surgery that it will be very difficult for me to survive, how I will walk and what will happen to me and how I will go to toilet and all that. But in Medanta Hospital, I have got excellent care from the side of doctors and the staff also. Whatever were my need as a patient, because for 2 days I was completely bedridden. But I can't say that anyone has ignored me. Even the nutritionist too was coming and asking me, Madam, your meal was okay or not, or you have like the breakfast and anything else you want to eat and all that. But after that surgery, I can walk easily. I am talking in that way today because I have no pain.